Hi, hello, welcome to today's session. Before starting a new chapter, I would like to clarify uh, some of the chapters or the syllabus which we are going to study for this academic year due to uh, the present COVID situation. From history part, some of the chapters got deleted, and the deleted chapters I would like to clarify here. Section 2, heading Livelihoods, Economies and Societies. From this section 2, there are two chapters, chapter number 4 and chapter number 5. Already we completed chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 from section 1, that is French Revolution and Russian modern Europe and Russian Revolution. So here chapter number 4, it is Forest Society and Colonialism. Chapter number 5, Pastoralists in the Modern World. Out of these two chapters from history part, here I would like to clarify deleted portion is given. Complete section, both the chapters got deleted, and uh, from this section we have to select one chapter, either chapter 1 or chapter 4 or chapter 5. Here note is given. Once you check it, any one out of these two chapters, either chapter number 4 or chapter number 5. So here from these two chapters I would like to explain chapter number 5, that is pastoralists in the modern world, from next section, the session of our discussion. Then geography part, drainage and population, these two chapters got deleted. From drainage chapter, chapter is going to be deleted, and map related questions or map pointing activity can be asked for different examination conducted at school level. Then from political science part, constitutional design. So this chapter already we taught, and from this particular chapter only democratic constitution in South Africa. So the case study which is given in the beginning of the chapter, so this particular part is got deleted. Then chapter number 5, that is democratic rights, that complete chapter is deleted. So next when I am going to discuss about the different chapters from political science part, later I will explain you. Then what is the chapter we are going to discuss from next section. Then from economics part, food security in India, so this chapter completely got deleted. Then after giving the clarification about the syllabus which we are going to discuss for 9th standard for this academic year, let me start a chapter from history section, that is pastoralist in the modern world. Chapter number 5, pastoralist in the modern world. And in this session I would like to discuss an introduction to the chapter. So in this chapter, that is pastoralist in the modern world, we will read about nomadic pastoralist. So here the term nomadic or nomads, they are the groups of people. They are the groups of people who do not live constantly, permanently in one place, but they used to keep moving from one area to another area, or from one place to another place, to earn their living. Then these nomadic pastoralists, particularly they used to keep moving with their herds of goats, sheep, camel, and even cattle. So nomadic or nomads means ವಲಸೆಗಾರರು. ವಲಸೆಗಾರರು ಹೆಸರೇ ಹೇಳುವಂತೆ ವಲಸೆಗಾರರು ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಸಮಯದವರೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರದೇಶದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಚಲಾವಣೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್, ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದ್ತಾರೆ. ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಹೊಂದುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ತಾವು ಸಾಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕುರಿ, ಮೇಕೆ, ಆಡು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂಟೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ದನಗಳು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹಸು, ಎಮ್ಮೆ, ಕತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಅವುಗಳ ಉಪಜೀವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಉಪಜೀವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮೇವನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀರನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಆರಿಸ್ತಾ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಿಂದ ಪ್ರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ we will go on discussing about how these nomads gradually changes nomads from pastoralism. These pastoralism became an important in the societies like India and Africa, and we will also understand about how colonialism it mainly created its impact on the lives of these nomads and how they coped means faced with the pressures of modern society. And this particular chapter, that is pastoralist in the modern world, will focus on two different nations or two different nomads or pastoralists, one who is living in two different nations, namely India and South Africa or Africa. So about the other related chapter information or concepts from the chapter will be discussed in tomorrow's session. Thank you one and all.